Hey, good morning. Welcome to the garage today. It's been a couple of days over the weekend, but I finally got the fiberglass piece on the back glassed up and plastered on there with lots of fiberglass. You can see I had to put a whole bunch of screws in there and boards to clamp it on. Hopefully there isn't a lot of airspace between this piece and the marine plywood in the back there. I tried to squish out as much of the resin as I could. You can see it running out here, which is actually good. So we're going to leave that for an hour or two, and then we're going to remove all the screws and clamps and see how it is. Okay, we took the clamp boards off here, and I'd say that was 99.9% successful. I just got to take out these extra little screws that I put in there. But you can see the fiberglass squishing out. All the places where there were holes, I can see fiberglass squishing through there, which is perfect. So this chunk, I don't feel any air spaces. It's really on there. Once I take all the screws out of there, I'm going to clean it all up. And then, like I said, what's going to happen is these corners here are all going to be fiberglassed in. Then the gel coat's going to be repaired. It's going to be as good as new. Okay, one thing I did today I didn't think I was going to get to is I built a cradle here for the boat. And no, this isn't a super sturdy cradle. It's just meant to lift the boat up a bit so that I can wheel the trailer out of there. Okay, you see, that wasn't too hard at all. I just pulled the trailer out of there. So I can do my work on the trailer now. I'm going to clean it up. Probably going to eventually get new tires, but that's not important right now. They're expensive. Just going to clean it up, maybe replace the rubber rollers. These things, this one doesn't look too bad. Some of them are pretty hard and cracked. They're going to mark up the bottom of the boat unless I replace them like these ones. But yeah, I can refurbish this. In the meantime, I have to build this trailer more, or this support a lot more sturdy than that. I'll use 2x6s to make a frame underneath it, because if I'm going to be crawling under there looking at the hull, I don't want to get squashed. But that's it for now.